We buy so many of these.
Eggy.
And then we spend 50 just buying 5 of them. And look at this. This is hers. That she won't even switch with me.
Because I wanted
And
red.
we're eating Chatty.
Hey, Ben, there's some mushroom.
Who took my mushroom? Who put some mushroom on mine? Me. Okay. Eating with, and yes, may tattoo ako.
You guys have nothing to do with it.
Because I'm a bad.
I was the
Bad
best.
girl. I did some bad things. Because,
Remember that guy that tries to copy it?
yeah.
I want some ulam fries. Guys, try this. Jollibee with ulam. Jollibee fries with ulam. So good. And then the gravy. And then the meat. Of course.
Remember when I showed you tawang-tawa tayo sa terrace? We're drinking coffee. I'm kidding. I want to suck your blood.
Buy a red iced tea.
My mother sister's face. Magiging vlogger si Nice. Work lang tayo yun.
But this thing kind of show us how many minutes do we finish to eat today. But later on it would be, stop videoing.
Spam, you want my mushroom? I don't want mushrooms anymore.
Ingatan mo ha.
Ano si Pam? Mad. Oh. So, makiyan. Indoin. Ayun pa rin na sa'yo. Mamay na. Nagpalabot si Pam na. Let's just skip video.
To be honest, there's not enough space.
Yan naman tingnan.
We'll come back later, guys.
No!
Why? Your phone does not have any more storage.
I don't care.
Hindi, pag sumabog yan.
Yung egg. Yung egg.
Tignan namin sa naman, di ba? Gusto niya water.
Hindi ka nung paunahan din.
Ano yung water?
Una iinom na din. Natay kong tubig na yelo.
Jollibee's fries is better than McDonald's.